Our journey begins inside this unit where you'll find a haven of luxury and functionality. The rear living room is a cozy retreat, boasting plush seating and oversized windows that flood the space with natural light. This one's got a comfortable couch and relaxing theater seats which face the rear entertainment center with storage and a large TV, perfect for relaxing after a long day. Gather your loved ones around the spacious dinette for family meals and unforgettable game nights. The modern kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with contemporary appliances, solid surface countertops, and generous storage, making meal preparation effortless. And when it's time to rest, retreat to the inviting bedroom, featuring a comfortable bed, clever storage solutions, and meticulous design elements. For your convenience, the well-appointed bathroom offers a shower, toilet, and all the amenities needed for a comfortable stay. This one's also got the Girard tankless water heater. Say farewell to the inconvenience of cold showers. With this innovative system, you'll enjoy endless hot water, whether you're connected to city water or exploring off-grid adventures. This one comes with quality construction with a structural I-beam frame, laminated sidewalls with 5-sided aluminum superstructure, and an alpha ply roof membrane. It's got a heated and enclosed underbelly to keep you comfortable in all weather conditions, and a Keystone exclusive HyperDeck RV floor. This high-performance, water-resistant RV floor is stronger, lighter, and more resilient than traditional wood laminated flooring. HyperDeck replaces wood with 100% inorganic materials designed to resist water and water damage. This one also comes with the Solar Flex Protect 220 package, featuring a 220-watt rooftop solar panel and a 30-amp 12-volt Victron Smart Solar MPPT controller with a Bluetooth app. In conclusion, this one is a great option if you're looking for a luxury fifth wheel. It's got an awesome rear entertainment center, a great kitchen, and quality construction. If you like this video and want to see more, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure to like and comment. Let me know what you think of this one. If you want to check out more of what we got, or this one, check out the website premierrv.com, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa, or call the number on screen now. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.